Hi, I'm Lindsay and I love hanging out in Anaheim. Today, I'm at the Anaheim Packing House to grab some lunch. If you're like me and you love a good deal, then let me let you in on a little secret. There's a new Savor and Shop Pass full of exclusive deals for restaurants like these. Follow along and I'll show you how it's done. Craving Tacos? We have a deal for that. Urbana, located right here in the Anaheim Packing House, is offering a free taco with purchase of a regular meal. Yum! So you have a sweet tooth? How about gelato on a stick? There's a deal for that. Pop Bar is currently offering 10% off whatever your heart desires. Our Savor and Shop Pass has a ton of exclusive deals throughout Anaheim and Orange County. No matter what you're craving, our free pass has you covered.